We are looking at how to pronounce this word. He is a Belgian footballer known for his technical skill and creativity. His surname comes from Dutch Flemish, which makes the pronunciation challenging for many English speakers. The pronunciation in his native language is Charles De Ketelaere. Charles De Ketelaere. And in English, you can say it as Charles De Ketelaere. Charles De Ketelaere. Charles De Ketelaere created several chances with his clever passing and movement. Charles De Ketelaere. If this pronunciation lesson helped you, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe for more pronunciation guides. Also check out our playlist.